Hello, everyone, and welcome to this review. Today we have the GMC-320 Geiger counter, a device that allows us to measure radiation levels in the air, particularly gamma rays, which can be harmful to the human body. Unlike simpler models, including one I previously had that connected to an iPhone, this Geiger counter is much more precise. Inside, though we won't open it, it contains an official Geiger tube for accurately detecting radioactivity. Features and settings. The device offers various settings that can be adjusted. In this version, it is set to display counts per minute, CPM, and microsieverts per hour, μsv Baroque, which are common units of radiation measurement. Other available display modes include text mode, graphic mode, large font display, the option to switch between μsv4r and RENH. I personally prefer text mode, as it allows me to see all the details clearly. Additionally, the device shows the current time and can be connected to a computer to download measurement data. Another great feature is the rechargeable battery, which can be conveniently charged via USB. According to the reference table included, the normal CPM range is between 5 and 50. Anything higher could indicate a problem. Certain household items might cause a rise in detected radiation levels, so I decided to check around my home. At first glance, there were no major concerns, but I wanted to investigate further. Some everyday objects, especially antique glassware, ceramics, or porcelain made before 1950, may have been coated with radioactive glazes. Since my house was built in 1940, I wanted to see if anything inside might contain such materials. One surprising fact: smoke detectors contain a radioactive element called a americium-241. Without opening the detector, I tested for radiation levels nearby. I had previously tested another smoke detector at home that triggered a higher reading. Some online videos show that opening a smoke detector can result in CPM readings of 300 and microsieverts up to 2.0, a level that should definitely not be inhaled or handled. Let's head to a flea market and see if we can find any vintage objects that were painted with radioactive luminous radium paint. After searching around, we finally found something. While it's not the famous fluorescent radium plate, it still shows detectable levels of radioactivity. In the early 20th century, many everyday objects were made radioactive due to the use of radium-based luminous paint. This paint contained radium-226, a highly radioactive element, which was mixed with phosphors to create a glow-in-the-dark effect without needing an external power source. Even today, some vintage objects from the 1950s and earlier may still emit detectable radiation, making them interesting finds for collectors and radiation enthusiasts. Final thoughts. Unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, I didn't detect any significant radiation levels inside or outside my home. No gamma, beta, or alpha radiation. Cosmic radiation from the sun also showed only minimal readings. It's a fascinating device for experiments and safety monitoring. Highly recommended. See you in the next review. Ciao.